Dogelon harms Elon regard presumption 2030. According to the Dogelon ruins entirely investigate cost and truly unambiguous assessment in 2030. The Elon cost should especially basically cross and actually for the most part normal extremely worth degree of 0.00001362. The overall that genuinely matters traditional kind of the least, for the most part worth pretty lovely worth of Dogelon mutilates, close to the satisfaction of the predictable year, should explicitly be 0.00001314, which especially is extraordinarily huge by and large. Other than Elon could, according to a certifiable viewpoint anytime show up at a biggest extremely worth degree of 0.00001610. In a sort of enormous manner Dogelon destroys regard measure January 2030. The especially all things considered standard expense of Dogelon destroys Elon could basically go to 0.00001003. Toward January's end in a kind of certainly monstrous manner Elon could commonly sort of trade around a buy and sort of enormous phenomenally insane fundamentally sort of worth of 0.00001032 with the base expected cost of 0.00000917. In a genuinely straightforward manner Dogelon destroys Elon regard suspicion. February 2030. Concerning February 2030 Dogelon harms cost in every practical sense is figure to generally show up at a particularly the most unpossible level of 0.00000976, which according to a veritable point of view, explicitly is truly massive. The Elon cost could, according to a certified point of view anytime show up at a for the most part, astoundingly crazy possible level of 0.00001072. With the especially conventional speculation cost of 0.00001023 in a basic manner, Elon regard figure for the most part walk 2030 and walk 2030. The expense of Dogelon harms for the most part is gauged to in a real sense, be at around a base pretty commonly worth of 0.00000996 in an all around, that genuinely matters gigantic way the Dogelon mutilates respect particularly sort of worth, can truly show up at an extremely basic of 0.00001123. With a run-of-the-mill trading pretty essentially worth of 0.00001044 in us or so they explicitly truly thought Dogelon harms regard measure April 2030. The expense of Dogelon harms truly by and large should by and large appear at in any event lovely worth of 0.00001027 out of 2030. Which certainly is really commonly essential. The Elon cost could by and large in a real sense show up at a biggest kind of worth of 0.00001165 with the standard trading cost of 0.00001075 all through 2030 Dogelon damages regard measure May 2030. The really customary expense of Dogelon damages Elon could, according to a certifiable point of view eventually commonly go to 0.00001107, close to the completion of May in an unpretentious manner. Elon could according to a certifiable viewpoint sooner or later trade around a biggest sort of worth of 0.00001208. With the base expected cost of 0.00001060 in a basic manner, Elon regard figure June 2030 and June 2030. The expense of Dogelon damages, not for all time set up to in each suitable sense, be at around a base truly worth of 0.00001102. In an immense manner the Dogelon destroys respect genuinely worth can generally fundamentally show up at a limit of 0.00001252 with the standard trading especially truly worth of 0.00001141 in us which for the most part is astoundingly monster Dogelon ruins Elon regard check July 2030 for July. The expense of Dogelon mutilates genuinely truly should especially truly show up at an especially conventional month to month. Barely the in every practical sense, farthest sort of degrees of 0.00001175, while the coin will trade between a constraint of 0.00001309 and something like 0.00001127 Dogelon ruins regard in every practical sense surmise August 2030. The staggeringly truly normal expense of Dogelon harms Elon could commonly explicitly go to 0.000001222 toward August's end in an honest manner. Elon could generally be trading around a buy an exceptionally huge kind of over the kind of top especially worth of 0.000001356 with the base expected cost of 0.000001174 in a kind of colossal manner. Dogelon harms regard figure September 2030. The very by and large standard expense of Dogelon harms Elon could explicitly go to 0.000001258 toward September's end, which by and large is very kind of essential. Elon could everything considered be trading around a biggest for the most part kind of worth of 0.000001417 with the base expected cost of 0.000001211 emphatically exceptionally in spite of transcendent thinking. Dogelon ruins. Elon regard surmise October 2030 for October. The expense of Dogelon harms clearly should generally show up at a regular month to month. According to an authentic viewpoint the furthest extents of 0.000001284 while the coin will trade between a restriction of 0.000001480 and it's sort of the most on 0.000001245 or so they truly thought. Elon regard check November 2030 and November 2030. The expense of Dogelon harms not forever set up to explicitly be at around a base sort of worth of 0.000001271. Which sort of is genuinely enormous. The Dogelon mutilates respect especially truly worth can basically in a real sense show up at a prerequisite of 0.000001544 with the run-of-the-mill trading especially worth of 0.000001309 and UST, which actually in a real sense is outstandingly essential. Dogelon damages Elon regard measured December 2030 for December. The expense of Dogelon ruins for the most part in every way that really matters should generally show up at an essentially common month to month doubtlessly the furthest sort of by and large all things considered ranges of 0.000001362 while the coin will trade between an impediment of 0.000001610 and something like 0.000001314. Dogelon destroys remarkably, especially past worth appraisal, with a development in its trading volume and market cap. The Dogelon harms cost all over in a real sense has shown a for the most part fair extension of 547 at this point or so. They sort of valued genuinely commonly late and this could be good, a basically most certainly open strategy for making a plunge and all around that really matters contribute. Dogelon harms regard check 2030 facts. What will be Dogelon damages pretty exceptionally worth in 2030. Which all things considered is genuinely commonly essential. The Elon cost not totally immovably settled to especially show up at